There is no shortage of labor laws in the country. The Constitution also contains a range of provisions on labor rights. But the law applies to only 6% of the total labor force of Pakistan, who have been given permanent employment contracts and are registered with the Social Security Institute. No labor laws applies to remaining 94% or 52 million laborers who work informally in agriculture, domestically and on daily wages.
Labor laws are available, but unfortunately implementation is not there. To register new labor union in a mill and a factory is a very impossible job. You can find so many pocket unions working in different factories. And unfortunately at grassroots level, at district and tehsil level, labor department is protecting interest of mill owners and businessmen owners rather than to protect labor.
The Federal Minister for Labour and Manpower meanwhile says the absence of democracy is a major reason why labor laws are not being adequately implemented.
इस मुल्क में बहुत बड़े इश्यूज हैं और उनका रीजन ये नहीं है कि हुकूमतें नहीं करना चाहती, उनका रीजन ये है कि जिस मुल्क में 40 साल मार्शल ला रही हो, आमिर हो, जो जवाबदेह नहीं हो किसी के सामने.
Democracy or no democracy, workers are suffering from a lack of interest in implementation and reforms. For example, while the labor rights of newspaper employees are specifically protected under an Act of Parliament, no law exists to secure the rights of workers in the broadcast media.
Almost 85% of the press industries are not fully, neither they are regular employees, nor even most of them are on contract. Most of them are without any appointment letter, without any, and the new phenomena which have appeared in the last few years, that these media houses have created fake companies, and they registered the workers, in the name of those companies, so that they cannot claim their rights.
Even if new legislation is nowhere in sight, the government could at least implement existing laws. For example, by resuming labor inspection which have been suspended, it could ensure decent working conditions.
The right to work and earn a decent living under the condition of freedom and dignity is recognized as one of the fundamental human rights. According to the Constitution of Pakistan, the state shall make all provision for securing just and human conditions of work and shall ensure the elimination of all form of exploitation. Sajid Gondal, Dawn News, Islamabad.